your hair blows up into a ball of a frizzy mess, despite the fact that you just spent hours blow-drying or ironing it. That feels familiar, doesn't it? For most women who do not have naturally tamed and luscious hair, frizziness is just a way of life. However, with increasing innovation in the hair and beauty industry, treatments like keratin treatment are becoming a part of many women's hair care routine and helping combat this problem. Today's video will discuss everything you need to know about keratin treatment. What is a keratin treatment? Keratin is a protein which is naturally present in your hair and is a major component of your hair's composition. A keratin treatment is a hair protein treatment which adds shine and body to your hair, while taming the frizziness of the hair and making it exponentially more manageable. It injects the keratin protein into the hair cuticles and the porous parts of your hair, thereby making the hair shinier and taming the strays. What is the procedure? The procedure begins with a thorough consultation between you and the stylist regarding the complete history of your hair and your expectation from the final result. The first step is a hair wash to help remove the residue from your hair. This may even lead to a minor lightening of your existing color, so make sure you speak to the stylist about this. This is followed by lightly drying your hair and applying the protein treatment on the lengths of your hair. After leaving the treatment on for roughly 20 minutes, your hair is blow-dried and then ironed to seal the treatment. After 36 to 72 hours, you are required to come back to the salon for a first wash. During this, your hair is ironed and then washed with sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. How is it different from smoothing rebonding? A keratin treatment, being a protein treatment, will not chemically alter the structure of your hair. Instead, it will just make it shinier and more manageable and will last for up to 4-6 months depending on the texture of your hair and the home care. A smoothing or rebonding treatment will chemically alter the composition of your hair and make it pin straight. The result also varies greatly between the treatment, as the keratin treatment would give you more of a natural look, whereas smoothing will give your hair an unnaturally straight look. How much will it cost? The cost of the treatment varies depending on the length, texture, and the volume of your hair. The price will also vary depending on the brand or product being used for the treatment. How to take care of post-treatment. After getting the treatment, you are suggested to keep your hair dry and not even wash it before you go back to the salon for your first wash. After the first wash, you are recommended to use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners. These will help elongate your keratin treatment and make the hair healthier as well. You are also recommended to get a deep conditioning hair spa once a month to keep your hair looking healthy and soft. Should one get it? Before getting the treatment, it is highly recommended that you have a thorough consultation with your stylist and understand the treatment as well as the results. It would also help greatly if you explain to the stylist the final look that you would like and the reason you want to go for the treatment. The treatment is normally recommended for women and men with frizzy and unruly hair. If you blow dry or iron your hair often for work outings, this treatment is highly recommended as it would prevent you from using too much heat on your hair. This treatment is not recommended for women with naturally straight hair. This treatment is also not suitable for pregnant women. Have you ever know about keratin treatment? Let me know in our comment section below.